So the next bit here is we're calling it sentiment analysis. Tom, do you want to explain what sentiment is to the crowd?
Yeah. So sentiment, basically we're taking textual data, deciphering the words and getting, is this a positive statement or is it a more negative statement? What's it mean? And so this is new in manufacturing. I haven't seen it, so I'm very excited to see how companies use this. But it could be operator notes, downtime notes, it could be maintenance notes, supervisor, whoever enters the notes, and you can get the sentiment of it. And so an operator might be struggling with the machine, so that could be reflected in the notes if you got a chronic problem or what have you. That doesn't get detected automatically, but the people and how they're feeling about it, we can pick up on. And there's different technologies out there to do this. I think Stanford University came up with one that's a general sentiment analysis. So the word supervisor, very neutral, not positive, not negative. We do it a little differently. With our machine learning engine that does the sentiment here, we actually train your actual words that you use within your factory, your industry, all that, against your KPIs. So now supervisor could be negative every time the supervisor comes around, and something's going on, or it could be positive. The supervisor comes and helps. So it adjusts to your specific use case, and even different areas of your plant you could train separately and pick up on.
Yeah, so we're effectively training the words that people type in against a particular factor. In this case, I think we trained this on loss production. So we took all of that text that someone spoke or typed into an operator comment, and then we trained against it. So you can see here we've got some existing data where we've got just progressively more negative content, more negative sentiments. I'll type in another one. Let's say, had to shut down production due to a tornado threat. I know some people in chat have experienced this one, and wow, yeah. So that's pretty negative sentiment on that. And this is all standard ignition stuff. We threw a histogram on it so you can see. It's nice seeing the trend, so you can easily tell, like, hey, there's something going on. Maybe we need to.
So when you say standard ignition stuff, you're talking about all the components. We don't have
no custom components, no custom
SepaIQ all perspective.
Yes, this is all native perspective. You don't have to install a module to get any of this. So this is all just native ignition stuff. So yeah, you can see all of the sentiment percentages here. So this is one example of using predictions against text. And the other example we used for this loss prediction page, we used against values, right? And against features of a particular production run in this instance.